feel like you're doing everything right, eating clean, working out, staying consistent, but your body isn't changing, this video is for you. Hey ladies, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Elizabeth. I'm an online fitness coach. I do help women build strong, confident bodies without extremes. And today we're going to talk about one of the most frustrating parts of any fitness journey. Feeling like you're doing everything right, but not seeing results. If that's you, I want you to know this right now. You're not broken, you're not falling apart, you're not failing. There's just something missing in your approach. So let's break down the real reason why this happens and how to fix it. This is one of the biggest things that I see, especially for women. You think that you're in a calorie deficit, but you've actually been under eating for too long. When that happens, your metabolism slows down, your energy drops, your body's going to hold on to fat, you lose muscle instead of building it, and then you'll stop. I know that it may sound backwards, but sometimes the solution is not eating less. It's eating properly. Your body actually needs fuel to function, to recover, and change. If you're not hitting your protein goal, your body is going to struggle to build lean muscle, recover from workouts, stay full and satisfied. Protein is what gives your body that tone defined look. Without it, you might lose weight, but not in the way that you want. So a good starting point would be to aim for 0.8 to 1 kilogram of protein per pound of body weight. A lot of women are actually working out consistently, but without a real plan. They're just doing random workouts, switching routines every week, not tracking progress. And if there's no structure, there's no progression. Body changes when you challenge it consistently, increase weight, reps, sets, or intensity over time. That is how you build strength and see real results. Now, cardio has its place, but it's not the main driver for fat loss. If you are doing endless cardio, minimal strength training, you're missing the piece that actually shapes your body. Strength training is going to help you build muscle, boost metabolism, create that tone look. Cardio is going to support that goal, but it shouldn't be the only strategy. Now, this one's huge. Most women expect major changes within 3 to 4 weeks, but real transformation takes months of consistency. Your body's always working behind the scenes, building muscle, adjusting hormones, improving metabolism, even if you don't see it yet. The scale is just one piece. Start looking at the bigger picture. Progress photos, measurements, strength in the gym, energy levels, because sometimes your body is changing. You're just not measuring it the right way. If you've been feeling stuck, I hope this has helped you realize that you're not doing everything wrong. You just need the right structure. Comment below and tell me which of these you think might be holding you back. And if you want help creating a plan that actually works for your body and your lifestyle, I've linked my coaching application below. Now, don't forget to subscribe. I post videos every single week to help you stay consistent and actually see results. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.